Good day, everyone. Once again, welcome back to my channel. We love hot stuff. Now today we've got a lekker winter day here in Cape Town. Had some rain this morning. So yeah, the winter is with us. Yeah, I know I haven't been posting a video for a while now. I've been sick. Yeah, people that eat this crazy hot stuff also do get sick. And I was away for the weekend, Easter weekend. We went away to a friend of mine's place in a little town called Vermaaklikheid. But now I'm back at it, doing another video, like a hot video. Well, I say it's ghost pepper, chicken noodles, spicy chicken noodles, ghost pepper. I actually bought this from Takealot some time ago. I can't remember what I paid for it. It's not that expensive, but I'm gonna try it today. Also, wanna thank everyone that subscribed. Really, I appreciate it so much. Please, guys, subscribe. Not only guys, ladies as well, subscribe, watch my videos, share my videos. I do appreciate it so much. um, if you guys can do that for me, that will help my channel so much. um, yeah, thank you very much, and please hit that like button, um, hit that subscribe button. Help me to make my channel grow. That is the only way that I can produce more content. And yeah, but yeah, today we're gonna do this noodles. Actually, they give you a little fork with. Actually, nice. It was folded up. Um, yeah, I don't know how it worked, but I folded it open. So, and you get this two packets of. This must be a type of sauce. I don't know what this is, and this is the ghost pepper oil.